Hi everyone, this is Diyosa and welcome back to my channel, Diyosa Life TV. And today, I'm gonna unbox something different today. So it's not a gadget, it's not makeup, it's not anything closely related to anything that I've ever unboxed before. I'm gonna unbox this one. Ta-da! So this is the Young Living Beginner Box Set. Okay, I'm not sure about the title. But this is what I'm gonna unbox today. This is from Young Living. So these are essential oils. This is the first package I ever got from them. So let me get my código first. So ito na yun siya guys. This is actually called pala the Premium Starter Kit. Okay, it says here with Dewdrop, pero hindi with Dewdrop yung kinuha ko. I think it's called the Desert Mist. So, the Young Living Premium Starter Kit is a perfect option for those who are serious about transforming their lives. So, it also includes the Premium Essential Oils collection, all in 5 milliliter amounts, and then an Aroma Glide Roller Fitment. I'm gonna show you everything later. Orange Plus na 5 ml. 10 Love It, Share It sample business cards, 10 Love It, Share It sample oil bottles, and 2 Ningxia Red 60 ml single. So if you guys are curious, Young Living, the official site is at youngliving.com. So ayan, so may mga tips din dito guys and everything. So let's start this one. Ayan. Tada! I think ito yung my premium essential oils inside. So, ayan siya. Young Living Essential Oils, from fields to your family. So, yung Young Living, guys, if you're not familiar, they have Seed to Seal program. Ito yon. Over 20 years of stewardship, Young Living's proprietary Seed to Seal program delivers essential oil-infused products of unmatched purity, supported by our uncompromising approach to sourcing, science, and standards. Seed to Seal is our commitment to deliver powerful, authentic, conscientiously produced products that you can rely on with a clear conscience and without second thought. So we believe that the product is only as good as the process that created it. Seed to Seal is our commitment to crafting pristine products without compromise. Ayan, nakasay. So ayan, ang ganda actually ng packaging guys. Everything that was told to me before I bought this, I was really impressed. And then inside, of course, we have the diffuser. Even if you're not a member, guys, you can actually buy from the site, I think. So, ito siya, yung mga diffusers nila. So, they have Aria, Ultrasonic Diffuser, Aroma Lux. Ito yung usual na Dewdrop. Okay, so this one is most common. Pero ako, yung kinuha ko ay the Desert Mist. Okay, so let's move this over here para hindi tayo magulo. Ayan. So, ayan na siya guys. So, ito yung Desert Mist. Tada! And then, ito yung Premium Essential Oils Collection. Ayan. And also, of course, included in the Premium Starter Kit is this one. So, this is the 2018 product line. So, everything that you need to know about the products and everything that you need to know about essential oils nandito. Ayan. So, actually, they have makeup pala. So, next time, order tayo ng makeup. Try natin yun. But, for now, let's start with the ang daming products. So, mamaya na natin ito basahin. So, let's start with the Premium Starter Kit. So, first, I want to open the diffuser. Ang tagal ko nang gusto magka-diffuser, guys. I think this will help me achieve, like, a better homey feel inside my room. So, the Desert Mist features include 3 runtime settings. So, may high output mode, runs approximately 5 to 6 hours continuously. Low output mode, so runs approximately 8 hours continuously. And I think ito yung gusto ko, runs approximately 10 hours intermittently, which is the intermittent mode. 1 minute on, 1 minute off. I think ito yung gusto ko. Especially pag natutulog, I'm not sure if safe to siya gamitin. Pero, maybe we'll see. And then, it has multiple light functions, 10 color options, including a candlelight flicker mode. So, lights can run independently from diffusion modes, replaceable ultrasonic plate, customizable design to support future interchangeable decorative covers, and it has a 1-year warranty. So, ang kasama dito guys, 1 Desert Mist Diffuser, 1 AC power adapter, and 1 operational manual. Ayan, nakalagay din dito sa likod, the Desert Mist Ultrasonic Diffuser presents an elegant way to diffuse your Young Living Essential Oil collection in your home. Its Moroccan-inspired pattern and selection of lighting features make it a stylish addition to any decor. The Desert Mist was designed with longer runtime so you can keep it on your nightstand to diffuse throughout the night, or as an eye-catching accessory that fills your living room with an inviting fragrance. So, pwede pala siya pag natutulog ako. So, I hope na maka-help to siya na maka-achieve ako ng REM. So, ito siya. Ayan. Reminders. So, ito siya ang operation manual. Alam nyo guys, there used to be a time when I would read the entire manual of everything. Cameras, phones, everything. I don't know why. So, ito manipis lang siya, so baka gawin ko rin. You know, for safety purposes. And para hindi masira yung ating gamit. Ayan. So, it comes in a parang egg carton na packaging. So, merong small box. I think this is the egg adapter. So, let's be safe. Pahiga na lang natin. Kasi, hiwalay daw siya. So, meron siyang safety tape. So, tanggalin natin, guys. So, usually, guys, pag nag-unboxing ako, nabuksan ko na beforehand yung whatever it is that I am going to be unboxing para prepared ako, diba? Pero this time, first time ko talaga siyang ma-open. So, ito na siya. Let's open it. So, may tape. Nakatanggal ko lang ng tape. And, oh my God, it's so pretty, guys. So, the body, this is, okay. Let's be careful. So, you have the base. So, ito yung base. Ayan. So, I assume that you would put here the essential oils and everything. Parang feeling ko, ayun, pak, nasarado ko siya. So, dew drop pa rin naman yung ano niya. And then, this is the, sorry. So, this is the cover. Base and cover. So, ito na siya, guys. This is my Young Living Desert Mist Diffuser. Ganyan muna tayo for now. And then, of course, in the smaller box, nandito yata yung adapter niya. So, even if, I think it came from the US. Yeah. It came from the US. So, ang adapter niya ay, ayan, flat plug. Yes, good for the Philippines talaga siya. Buti na lang, guys. Thank you for that. And, input is 10 to 240 watt. Alam nyo, pag bumibili kayo ng anything na pina-plug, dapat chinecheck nyo yun, guys. Kasi, sayang naman yung ginastos nyo, diba? Kung sasabog siya. And, delikado kaya yun. So, ayan. So, ito siya. So, yung palang diffuser itself, the diffuser itself, meron siyang dalawang switch. So, one is for the light and one is for the power button. So, dito natin siya ilalagay. Sa ilalim ba? Sa ilalim nga. Ayun. Tapos, okay. Makadaan naman pala. Makadaan naman pala yun. Ganon. Ayun. Ganon siya. So, quick review ko lang yung diffuser manual. Okay. Sobrang nipis na lang pala, guys. Kaya lang, kasi it comes in different languages. There's English, there's Spanish, and there's French. So, kaya siya medyo mahaba. Tingnan. So, ayan. So, ito yung parts niya. Outer cover, this one. Outer cover. So, dapat yun. Sa akin pa naman. So, this is the outer cover with the Young Living logo. Ayan. That's the logo. And then you have the mist spout, the inner lid. This is the inner lid. Ayan. And then you have the alignment line, the vertical line. So, dyan mo malalaman kung saktong nakasarado siya. And then this is the diffuser base. And then inside, meron tayong splash guard. Ayan, ito yun. And dyan yun somewhere inside. Okay. So, dito lalabas yung mist sa taas, obviously. And then, it also has ventilation. And then, it even has a water fill line inside. Hindi nyo na makikita, guys. But, ayan, ito yung quick look at the parts or the guide. Like, how? Like, ayun. So, ayun pala, guys. Dapat yung linya, yung vertical line, naka-align siya dun sa parang groove para masarado siya ng properly. So, before we proceed with that one, let's go to the this one, the essential oils. So let's proceed to this one, the more exciting part. Tanggalin na natin yung box, hindi ko na siya kailangan. Meron pa rin palang isa pa, sorry. Before I proceed, ito pa. So meron din tayong guide. Ayan, meron tayong guide on essential oils and how to use them. So ayan, ito na siya. So let's open it. So naka-shrink wrap siya, guys. So ayan, open na natin. Alam niyo yung amoy ng pasalubong galing sa USA. Ganon. Actually, medyo amoy lavender din siya, which I really love. I love the smell of lavender. Ayan na siya. So, sana natin. So, ayan. So, in addition to the basic starter kit contents, each premium starter kit with essential oils contains the following. Okay. So, yung basic starter kit pala, samples and supplies lang ng Young Living Stress Away, Ningxia Red, Thieves Household Cleaner sample packet, 1 Aroma Glide, 10 sample oil bottles, and 10 business cards. But since I got the premium starter kit, so aside from the basic starter kit, each premium starter kit with essential oils contains the following. So you have Young Living Citrus Fresh, Copaiba Vitality, Digize or Digize Vitality, Frankincense, Lavender, Lemon Vitality, Panaway, Peppermint Vitality, Raven, Thieves Vitality. Ito na yun siya, guys. Buksan natin. Ayan. Magnetic. Magnetic siya. So, safe yung mga oil mo. Hihiga ko muna, guys, baka bumulwak sila lahat. Ayun. So, ganun pala siya, guys. So if you... Ang bango! Ayan. Ang bango niya, guys. So, pag binuksan mo siya, so ganito siya, diba? Nakatayo. You, ipahiga nyo, guys. And then, use the tab over here to pull the cover. And then, tada! Ayan na siya. So, ayan yung essential oils natin. So, let's see. Okay. So, merong something dito. Okay, so, it's parang a letter to the new Young Living members. So, welcome to the, ang cute guys, revolution. Ayan. So, Young Living has always stood as the world leader in essential oils. We remain the original, and our vision of delivering pure, authentic solutions from nature has never changed, except for continuing to advance. I love that. Kaya siya makapal, guys. Kasi pag open mong ganon, okay, I'm really hoping na hindi ko madisgrasya yung mga bottles ko. Ayan. So, ito siya, 10 bottles, diba? So, pag tinanggal ko yung tab with the bottles, kita pa naman. Slide ko na lang, Ayan. So, andito yung 10 bottles ko. So, ayan, 10 bottles. And then, below, I think ito siya. You can pull this other tab, yung divider. And, andito yung iba nating items. So, andito yung mga sample bottles. Ito yung Thieves. Ito yung Ningxia. Ito yung sample bottles. And then, may stress away tayo. Guys, I need this in my life. And then, ito yung roller. Tama ba ako? Yes. Ayan. Ito yung roller. So, ayan. And then, you have, ayan. Ito yung love it, share it, repeat na cards. So, if you're gonna give a sample, so ito yun, diba? Bibigay ka ng sample sa mga friendship mo, bigyan mo na rin sila ng card. I think malalagay, ma-attach mo yan siya dyan. Somehow. So, I would just like a quick run-through of the oils that I got. Yan. So, I have here the 10 oils. Okay. So, let's see it one by one. The first one, guys, is lemon. This is 5 ml. Yan, 5 ml. And it has the C2 seal logo. And then, the next one is Copaiba. Again, it's still 5 ml. The third one is Digize or Digize. I think Digize. It pertains to digestion. Digize Vitality. This is Thieves Vitality. And then we have Peppermint. The next one, iba na yung packaging niya, guys. So, dark, colorful na yung kanyang label. This is Panaway or Panaway. And then we have Raven. have Raven. Citrus Fresh. Ayan. And then we have frankincense. And then finally, we have lavender. Okay. So, lavender. So, ito, supplements. Nakalagay lahat. Ito siya, essential oil talaga. Therapeutic grade essential oil. The same with this one. And then, these three are essential oil blends. If you pull this, okay, pull the tab. Okay. There's a divider. Pull the tab again. Ayan. And this is what's inside. So, this is the basic kit. So, yung basic kit naman, guys, merong stress away. Ayan. And then, thieves. And then, Ningxia. Yes, it says Ningxia. Ayan. Essential oil infused wolfberry supplement. Energized, fortify, revitalize. Okay. So, dapat i-chill pala to, guys. So, reminder lang. Yung ito naman, ang Thieves, this is a household cleaner. Ayan. So, I think I'm gonna use that for my bathroom. So, ito yung rollerball. Ayan. Hindi ko na siya tatanggalin, guys, para malinis pa rin siya. And then, ito yung stress away. Then, the sample bottles. And the love it, share it, repeat cards. So, it says here from the instructions of my friend na if I want to diffuse, tama ba ako? To diffuse lavender. So, yun yung susubukan natin ngayon, guys. Basahin muna natin yung operation manual, guys, para safe time. Remove the outer cover. So, I already did that. And the inner lid. So, ito yung inner lid. And then, okay, make sure that the reservoir is empty of water. Yes, it's empty. Before you put water, dapat nakalagay na yung adapter. Set the unit on a hard, flat surface, making sure that the cord exits between the feet of the unit. So, ito yung feet ng unit, guys. Ito. Ayan, yung mga naka-stick na gano'n. Add water to the reservoir until the level reaches, but that does not exceed the water fill line. So, lagyan na natin. Add 8 to 10 drops of essential oil. So, na-break ko na yung seal. So, sabi ng friend ko, 4 to 6 drops of lavender lang daw. So, ayoko nang sobrang mabango. So, 4 lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayun. I love lavender. My gosh. Nakakakalma kasi sa akin yung lavender, guys. That's why I love it. So, cover ko na siya, guys. Dapat. Ayun. Naka-align na siya. Ayan. Okay. Yan. Inner cover, inner lid. And then, so, naka-cover na siya. And then, plug na natin. So, andito yung buttons. And push on the on button. Ah! Umilaw siya! At nagdi-diffuse na siya. Okay, so meron din ditong safety and care instructions. So, hindi ko na yan i-share, guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Ayan, continuous pa rin yung pag-diffuse ng ating lavender on the side. Yes. Desert Mist Diffuser. So, ayan, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you learned something from me today. If you are also, if you also have these products or you're interested in these products and you want to give me a question or meron kang inquiry or meron kang comments, suggestions, or kung may mali sa sinabi ko, do leave a comment down below. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell button so you will be updated if I have new uploads. Very, very soon, I'm gonna try to do more content on this stuff. Or if ayaw nyo naman ng mga ganitong content, just leave also a comment down below. I hope you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's okay, you guys. So again, thank you for watching. Visit my blog. Follow me on social media. Watch more of my videos, guys. I hope you do that. Thank you for watching. This is Diyosa of Diyosa Life TV.